Hi, and welcome to Virtual Leadership Programs. This is the coaching page and how to use the tools here. When you come to the top of every page at Virtual Leadership Programs, you have at the top a quick description of the page. Usually your coach will appear up here as well, but because this is the coaching page, your coach is here. And where you probably found this video, a button on how to use this page. So basically, from this page here, you can ask your coach any questions you want. For example, how do I become a great boss? And then click send. It gives them a couple of seconds as they think through what you have for information. Now remember, at Virtual Leadership Programs, your coach also has access to all of your information. For example, if you add to your profile, your vision, mission, if you start creating your goals in here, all those details are readily available. There's also links from other pages that may pass the coach information for questions. For example, if you have 360 feedback and you want to get your coach's insights on that, you can click a link and it'll pass all the 360 feedback you received. And then of course they give you a response. And then down here at the bottom, it tells you how many questions you have remaining if you're on our free program. If you're on our paid program, you have pretty much unlimited, but the free program has a limited number of questions available to each month. Down here is where your conversation history will appear. Because we haven't created one yet, we just have this one. So now if we hit refresh on the page, we see our conversation history, where you can click and look into whatever conversations you've had in the past. And that is how to use your coaching page.